My name is Mpumelelo Majola from the organization. And together we can achieve a great things. So we started by doing this Makala load shedding, and then we proceed into amanzi maweloke cima amanzi maweloke evalelwa abantu. Sabheka ukuthi abantu abaningi abasebenzi, sabheka into ecrime, sabheka into yokucwasana ukuthi ubani uyini ubani. So sabona ukuthi no khona into emele siyenze, but abanye azange bayithathe ngale ndlela masiyisusa, bacabanga ukuthi senze organization ezocindezela bona. And then take isikhathi masihamba sayenza, sabona abantu abanidi, sabona ngekho training, sabona kungekho i-development report CCC, report kumaphoyisa, sinabo abasemaphoyiseni, sinabo abaku-health, sinabo abathini njengomfundisi lo uTatu Martin, uTatu Festile, uTatu I think we've got uTatu Gebashe, we've got 3 yabafundisi. So zonke lezi zinto lezi asizenziswe ukuthi wanted to achieve and assist abantu. It's all about to assist thina. Besicela nabanye ama-NGO sibambisane nabo, abusanka sibambisane nabo, abo-Kids 7 sibambisane nabo, the social workers. So besicela ukuthi each and everyone nangaba ethola ithuba eze la sizobambisana komuntu esimpresayo. Even you my brother siyajabula ukuthi ube khona nathi, even invite the councillor and the other organization, even the political, as long as you push the will of the people will be cleared.
Okay, this is something we've been doing continuously. Sile sabona igap ku-community, sabona ukuthi there's a need, especially since this area we know that there are not so many organizations ababhizi nabantu ababona ukuthi there's no development njengoba sikachazile ubaba ukuthi sabona ama-skills ukuthi ayadingeka nani. So there are people abakholile ukuya eVista bayofunda bathola ama-skills development through i-NPO yethu. There are people la we recognize khona sibone ukuthi kunesidingo sabantu mhlamba abanye umuntu ufuna umsebenzi, and if we can and bakhona abantu esikhuluma nabo, then we recommend yabona sikhona ukuzamela abantu something ukuthi we trying to build kahle stability in the community. So into engakhulu esiyenzayo sizama ukubambisana nabantu in building a better community, and esenze sure ukuthi abantwana njengoba sithi we even invited isanka sisebenza nabantu abafana nalabo ama-social worker where we see the need ukuthi khona abantwana mhlawumbe la bahlala khona akho bazali yabona izinto ezinjengalezo, then we recognize lezo zindlu lezo, si-try ukuthi sizame ukuba ne-impact empilweni zabo, because most of abantwana kena baluza i-hope, baluze nje i-concentration empilweni. So we are trying to bring that back so that they have hope. We're bringing hope back to the community. That's why we are saying together we can achieve greatness. We are trying to bring in our organization. As we're saying together, as Ketugutu, you are from Sanko, you're from ANC, you are from EMK. As long as we're doing this together to build a better future for the community, then let us do it together. Why not? Because we're saying unity is the power. Actually, this day that we are celebrating Yaga Mandela was pushing unity. Uguti, as long as it's in abantu abamnyama sima sisuguma and do this together, we can build a better future. That's why we are doing all of this.
Alandelo uzet sonamzi. Alandelo uthembi ngwenya.
Hayi sizwa kamnandi nangona bangithathe nje ngesituphe engazimiselanga bangivusa ekuseni, kodwa ngijabule kamnandi. ngiyalithanda nenzeka kuhle yonke into ihambe kakuhle.
Ungathini ngalelanga le-Mandela Day
Hayi
namhlanje?
Mandela Day vele fanele ihlale iqhutshwa ngayo le ndlela. Yabona njengoba sebayicalile bangasayiyeka ngokuthi. Njengoba seyicalile bangasayiyeki.
Umhlali wangapha.
Kakhulu.
Khona kunjani Theka?
No, ngiyaphila. Namhlanje iMandela Day. Uzizwa kanjani ngalelanga?
Ndizizwa mnandi kakhulu, ndizizwa ndiphilile. Ndizizwa ndiphilile kakuhle, kamnandi.
Indlela leyo oyicelebrate ngayo.
Le nto enzakalayo apha ngaphakathi, I appreciate. Ngithanda kakhulu.